can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
Hey you guys, so it is Sunday, I want to say afternoon, and I am getting ready. I'm about to do a bit of makeup. I don't usually do makeup on Sundays, but I actually have a virtual bridal shower in 31 minutes, and I'm actually hosting it for my friend. And so I decided to, look cute. I'm the host, can't go there looking crazy. So let me turn you guys this way. That way I can look in the mirror. So yeah, so I'm just doing my makeup. Nothing, this is like, guys, my ultimate no makeup look. Like very basic, very minimal. I use maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, which for me is something. I'm using 5 products. I already did my SPF. And please guys, don't be one of those girls that, oh, you're not leaving the house, you're not putting on SPF, because honey, if your house has windows, you better put on SPF, okay? So I'm quickly doing this. I've got some music playing, just some Maverick City. You guys know those are my peoples. But yeah, basically I'm using this to conceal, which and to highlight. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I actually think I need a new one. And I'm also going to use this, which is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. And the funny thing about this product is I actually got it in the summer, and I just felt like it didn't work so great for me, but now in the winter it's perfect. And then I'm obviously using my Sephora powder, and I'm also applying a bit of primer. No, so it's actually 4 products, yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. I mean 5 if you count my brow products, but I mean, are we really doing that? So yeah, let me quickly get myself together. There's one more thing I need to do before I actually start the Zoom meeting, so let me hurry up.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hey you guys. Ooh, my wig is trying me today, but it's fine. It's the last year I'm wearing it. Actually, I'm gonna have my own hair out for the rest of the week, but actually let me just zoom in. Hold on. There we go. But I'm quickly at my computer. I quickly need to make one graphic for my friend's virtual bridal shower that we're gonna use on Zoom, and I thought I'll just show you.
There you go.
No, I just made do without it. So this is, I'm using the app called PicMonkey. This was probably not the smartest idea, since I'm running out of time, but I really wanted to show you this. It's an app called PicMonkey. If you guys ever want to do like your own graphics and stuff, it's super easy. I've been using it for over 7 years. Maybe I should do it like this. So yeah, it's called PicMonkey. You pay, I want to say it's $7 per month, but like, I mean, if you do a lot of graphics like YouTube and stuff like that, or Instagram, for me it's worth it. I've been using it since 2013. No, I want to say maybe even 2012. And it's great. Martha's Bridal Shower. I wonder if I should have made it 2 different texts. I think it's fine like that. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna have to open Zoom and try and figure out how to put this up because the meeting starts in 10 minutes. The only thing is my Zoom is the free Zoom. But I know that usually with Zoom, if it's your first time, because I created a whole new account, scammer. Usually with Zoom, if it's your first time, then they let you sort of they upgrade your meeting at some point. So I hope they do that for me. If not, I'm gonna have to like do a second invite to everyone. So, and yeah, I just didn't want to pay for a month of Zoom, you know, because I have work Zoom. Obviously I can't use my work Zoom account for this, but that's the only time I use Zoom. Anyway, let me get my drink together. So we're doing like PJ vibes, hence me being in my pajamas at 2 p.m. I'm wondering if I should do bubbly or wine. I do have a nice rosé in the fridge. I'll show you guys. So this is the rosé that I was drinking, well, that we have in the fridge. It's a Chilean rosé, which is actually really good. So I could either do this or bubbly. The thing is with bubbly, the gas, and I don't want to open a whole new bottle of bubbly. Let's do this. I'll keep some bubbly on hand just in case we're doing a toast, but I could always toast with wine too. I think I'll just pour the rosé and, you know, keep it at that because I just don't want to open a new bottle of bubbly. You guys know I never, in fact, there are 2 bottles of bubbly in our fridge right now. One, we're just pretending it's not there because all the bubbles have gone out because we never drank it. We just opened it and then never drank it. And then the other one is like one that we could possibly drink, but yeah, I'm doing the Zoom here by the window in the living room because of the lights.
The entire family, they are all sitting up there. You see there's like a bright light just above there. There's like a couple of windows. So that's where the entire family is hiding.
You guys, so I am online for my friend's bridal shower, but beforehand her brother is actually streaming like a romantic dinner with her and her fiance, and it's so nice. He surprised her and everything, so that's what we're watching now, which is pretty cool.
So the place name is Villamor. I think if you guys can make it out there, it's
so that's the stream for the proposal, which is pretty cool. So we're watching this.
I think at least 1258 or something.
Hey guys, I know that the water in the background sounds a bit loud, but I decided I'm gonna treat myself to a bit of a bath. So I've got that going on. I made my bathroom look nice. I got the bath fan thing out. I put some candles out. Got a little plant out. Honey, got my book. My honey lemon ginger tea is busy boiling. And I'm gonna have a little moment. I'm actually gonna show you guys a little bit the bath bombs that I'm using. They're really nice, all natural, and I think that for me at least they're a good alternative to Lash. But hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so these are the bath bombs that I got that I'm using. They're handmade. I found this company actually on Amazon, and I was looking for like fresh, like handmade organic bath bombs, and these are what I found. I've used them, well, I haven't personally used them before, but we use them for yarn, and I actually like that they actually come a lot in a packet, and for the price, I can't remember now what the price was, but it was a really good deal because we've used 2 already out of the box, so like the one that was here and the one that was here. So I don't know which one to use today, but I think I'll need to use at least 2 because they are quite small. So that's the thing, like they're definitely like maybe half the size of the ones from like Lush, but it's fine. I don't do this too often, so I don't need a big old bath bomb. I'm thinking of doing the white one. Oh, it smells really good actually. Oh, orange smells good too, but I don't know if I want my bathtub to smell orange or to look orange. Yellows, like all these colors are just as bright. So maybe I'll do white, and this orange doesn't look as bright as this one, so I'll do these 2. But I don't think I'll need a 3rd one. So I'm only doing 2 candles just because I don't want, my bathroom is pretty small and I don't want the smell to be too much. So doing those 2. Yeah, so that's my little vibe. I have to switch off these lights. Okay, no, I actually have to read, so I might keep the light on. Actually, that's not smart. But yeah, I'm gonna get my tea, and then, oh, and this is the book I'm reading, Things Fall Apart. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm actually making my way down the Heinemann African Writers series, and I'm literally reading all the 200 and something books, and this is the first book on the list. I've read it before, but I decided that if it's on the list, I'm rereading it unless I read it within the past year. And also for me, it's a way to sort of get my collection together, because my library is just non-existent at this point. I have books here, I have books in Windhoek. It's just not working, so this is sort of what I am doing for myself. Yeah, so that's the book I'm reading now. Right, so I'm gonna go get my tea, and
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
oh my gosh, guys, that one has flower petals. Oh wow.
Oh, and the sunset, it is just
Anyway, so I'm gonna log off now, and enjoy my little bubble bath. I think I'll also just end this vlog here. Oh, it looks so nice, the pink one, you guys. It has rose petals in it. That is so thoughtful, and that's just beautiful. I think I'm gonna buy from these guys again. Wow. So yeah, I have my little tea here. It's honey lemon, ginger, honey lemon and ginger with green tea. So yeah, you guys, I think that's it from me. I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog, that is. Bye.
better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.